Hello and welcome. I'm glad that you can join me. We're here to help you write argumentative or persuasive papers using the writing mini argument strategy. Now, often writing an argumentative paper can feel overwhelming, especially when in college you might be asked to write papers that are 5 to 10 pages in length. How can you write an argument that goes so long? Well, a good strategy to overcome that is to write a series of mini arguments that support your overall thesis, and then select the best mini arguments to include in your actual paper. So let's get started. Writing mini arguments is a deceptively simple strategy. All that's involved is 2 steps. The first is drafting a claim, and the second is identifying 2 to 4 pieces of evidence to support your claim. Now, let's take a real-life example to see what it looks like. Now, let's say that I'd like to argue that Ziggy the parrot is a better pet than Cass the cockatiel. I would first make my claim, the statement that Ziggy is a better pet than Cass the cockatiel, and then I would identify a number of different sources of evidence that would support my claim. So I might state that Ziggy is potty trained and Cass is not. I might say that Ziggy is smarter than Cass. I might argue that Ziggy doesn't climb into my food while, as you can see from the picture, Cass does. And another claim may be that Ziggy is green and Cass is gray. After I've drafted the evidence to support my claim, I'd go back and evaluate it and decide that some of them are better sources of evidence than others. So for example, I might decide that Ziggy is green and Cass is gray really isn't a strong argument to support the claim that Ziggy is a better pet than Cass. And I might drop that from my writing out in all, but decide that the others are all strong pieces of evidence to support my claim. So you would draft multiple claims, identify pieces of evidence to support your claim, and keep the ones that work well, so that collectively you'd be building on your larger argument as a whole. So have fun in drafting your mini arguments, and happy writing.